Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu Jain and you are watching Encyclo Hub, and we are the company. We provide all type of solutions, homework solutions, any type of solution that you want. And if you need any type of answers of any subject, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp number, which is 900. Just sh- send your PDF in our WhatsApp and get your answers within a day. So in this one, the question number one, which is what is the EDI and how has EDI evolved over the years, and what are the key components of an EDI system? What are the benefits organizations are getting from EDI? Giving suitable examples. So that you can see here, this is question which is based on the EDIs. If you need answer of these questions, so you can contact us all of our WhatsApp number, which is 9009368 Thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon in the next video.